Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 鶏とさつまいもの味噌煮. It's chicken and Japanese sweet potato braised in miso. So easy to make, but very flavorful, and it has been my long-time favorite. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 鶏とさつまいもの味噌煮. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh. さつまいも Japanese sweet potato. It's about 500 grams. Some ginger. 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin, miso, and sugar. Half a tablespoon each of soy sauce and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So, さつまいも Japanese sweet potato. Let's cut both ends off. And just cut it into chunks. And release them in cold water. And chicken. You can make the dish with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I'm doing it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Then, let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's cook the chicken first. When the chicken is half cooked, add sweet potato. Only the sweet potato, not with the water. Then 1 cup of water, hondashi, soy sauce, sugar, sake, and mirin. Give it a mix. Cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes over medium heat. Cooked for 10 minutes, and the sweet potatoes are well cooked and the toothpick can easily go through. Put some broth in the bowl of miso. Dissolve miso completely. And add it to the frying pan. And ginger straight into the frying pan. I'm going to grate it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. About 2 tablespoons. Give it a mix. And keep cooking for another 5 minutes or so until the broth is cooked down to half with the lid off this time. The broth is cooked down to half and it's nice and glossy. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve on the plate here. And 鶏とさつまいもの味噌煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Japanese sweet potato is very sweet, like a dessert. But the saltiness of the miso and ginger balance off the sweetness, and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とさつまいもの味噌煮 is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and bean sprout miso soup or any soup you like here. I want to add little more protein to the meal, so let's have spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!